Good morning, happy Sunday. I'm home alone. Well, me and the pups. John has taken Reuben to rugby tots. And normally I give myself, I get an hour and 20 minutes in the house by myself, maybe an hour and a half depending on traffic. And normally I give myself a to-do list of things to do in that hour and a half. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to run a bath. Once the bath is ran, I'm going to put a dark load. Yeah, because I've got black jeans and John's got black jeans that need washing. I'm going to put dark load in on the wash. I'm going to make myself a coffee. I'm going to sit in the bath. And yeah, I'll wash my hair obviously in the shower, but I'm going to sit in the bath and just, I'm like, just feeling a bit like not ill, like lady stuff. Just feel a bit gross. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a bath and I might put some of that essential oil in it because I'm feeling a bit snuffy, and just kind of relax. So I'm gonna do that and not ramble on here. Bye. Out the bath. Am I the only person? Like, if I have a nighttime bath, I can have a bath and then put pyjamas on and go to bed or whatever. But if it's a day, like a morning bath, I have to have a shower afterwards. Anyone else like that? Just me? I've used a Garnier hair mask and I love how it makes my hair feel. I love how it smells, but it's just too heavy for my hair. So it's like uber flat, my roots need doing. So yeah, I don't want to not use it because I love how it smells and stuff. But it's like, look how flat my hair is, and I'm just, you know, I've blow dried this, like, or rough dried it. It's just too heavy for my hair, which means I'm gonna have to wash my hair for work tomorrow because it looks greasy already. Fabulous, but yeah. Reuben's rugby session was outside today. John's rang me, said he's loved it. They should be home in about 10-15 minutes. Dog's fed. Just gonna have a bit of a potter about till they get home. Hello.
Afternoon.
It is, it's 12:20. The old man's back there. So Reuben had a lovely time at Rugby Tots this morning. It was outside, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Like,
I might put him off a bit, but he was alright.
I came home, when they came home, I was like, how was Rugby Tots? And he was like, there was a dinosaur and it ate the egg. And I'm like, are you telling me fibs? But apparently the coach was playing dinosaur games with them or something, so that sounds fun. So we've had a potter around this morning, you know, that boring thing. Got one load of washing out, put one load of washing in. Did some dishes, all the fun stuff. Now we are off for some lunch. We are going to, is it just called Travascus or is it actually called Travascus Farm?
Travascus Farm.
It's the place where we went pumpkin picking to the pumpkin patch the other week. Haven't been there for food in absolutely ages. Like, went there for cake in the summer with Scarlett and Millicent, but haven't actually been for a sit down inside meal there.
I've not been there to eat for 20 years.
That's not true.
It's a story.
No, we went for your birthday one year.
Yeah, when I was 22.
Really?
Yeah. I
Ooh.
might have even been my 21st. I was 22 because you lived down here then.
Yeah, we lived together then. I've been, because I went a couple of times with Hannah and Michelle.
Yeah.
Ladies who lunch. Yeah, it's going to be a Sunday dinner, I think. But off to get some food.
What are you doing?
I want to hide seat.
Playing hide and seek.
And then what's it go?
Playing hide and seek.
The change. Oh, what's it go? Daddy,
Yes, ma'am.
what's it go?
Marshall gone. Where is he gone? Here he is.
Try again.
There you go, alright.
So we had a really nice lunch. Got takeaway dessert of a giant eclair. Went to the little farm shop, picked up a couple of bits. It was full of, what's the polite word for the people that were in the farm shop?
Snobs.
Entitled, snobbish people. Just like, yeah, not our people. And then we went to B&M, which is our people. And now we're on the way home. We're trying to figure out the best place to go for tonight.
They're not my people.
They're not your people.
That's not my people.
Love me a bit of B&M. But yeah, I was trying to figure out where we can go to park and watch the fireworks. They're all a lot later than we thought.
I just want to say, I don't know what B&M is like near you, but our B&M, they're not my people. That's not to say all B&M people are not my people, but that one isn't. Yeah, so
yeah, you well sound like you vote Tory then.
No.
We don't. I think if you know us, you know us. That's not who we are. Yeah, we're trying to figure out where to park because everywhere is like that smidge too late, really, for Ruben. So we're kind of thinking pyjamas, hot drink, hot milk, and warm car, and just take him so he can see like the beginning parts of the fireworks and then drive home. But it's like, yeah, I personally, I did think they were earlier, so we were actually going to go. We've got him like little ear defenders for the noise and everything. But then we looked and it's like an hour after bedtime before the fireworks start, and it's a Sunday. Everybody's got work and school tomorrow. So we're just trying to figure out where we're going to go. Hello, so we're home. Apologies if it feels quite dark. I had the light on, but it was dazzling across like the middle of the thing, the screen, so thought it would better to be slightly mood lit than dazzling. Yeah, so we're home. Show you what I picked up today. We did have a Paw Patrol Rubble toy, but Ruben's already got it. I got a big tub of pretzels because it's an addiction. We got a multi-pack, that's obviously from P&M's, I think that was £2.50. I got a 28 pack of pedigree dental sticks for the pups. No idea how much that was. That's leftover meat from our roast dinners. That's what Darwin and Gilly will be having for their tea tonight. I didn't have dessert while we were out. John had an apple crumble, Ruben had an ice cream sundae. I did not. But I got a takeaway giant eclair that Beach and I will share once Ruben is in bed. Yum yum. What else do we have? A bottle of pop to drink in the car. We literally took the top off. Oh, this was from the farm shop. Some onion and cheese bats. Goes with our burgers. And then from the farm shop, Cornish beef burgers. Some sweeteners from B&M's. I got 2 giant potatoes from the farm shop to do wedges. Ruben is loving these Nutella. He calls them hippos because they taste the same as the hippos, they just got less chocolate on. I've got a gingerbread train that I'm going to put away for Ruben's Christmas Eve box. We have a smashed Milky Bar reindeer. Ruben will probably have at some point this week. It's smashed because Ruben dropped it. Deodorant for John. Some penguin marshmallows. Yeah, like that. You can see them. These are really good for Christmas play dates. We had some last year, but I got them in TK Maxx and they were silly expensive, and these are £1 a bag. I'm sure if you were more artistic and clever than I, you could do it yourself for a lot cheaper, but I am not those things. And then I also got, I don't know how well they're showing up, the reindeer version. They're cute. This is definitely for me. I love mint chocolate, so it's a mint chocolate, a Terry's chocolate mint. There's no orange in there. I got one of those. This sounded nice. Caramelized red onion chutney, giant jar. I'm gonna put some on me burgers later, but that was actually from B&M's. Practical thing that I needed, salt. Oh, these are heavy. Practical thing we needed, batteries. We try and do the reusable, rechargeable ones as much as possible. We have a lot. We got the Amazon ones and they were well reviewed. They just don't last very long. And Energizer tend to last pretty well, and these are recyclable. So yeah, so there was a multi-buy offer on those. We got those. Another thing that we went in for, we've got sparklers that hopefully we're going to do with Ruben at some point early evening before we go out. They didn't have any gloves in Ruben's size, but they did have mittens, and they've got dinosaurs on. I'm not going to say they're the best quality in the world, as it was they're like £1 each or something, but they're going to get lost at preschool within 10 seconds of him taking them. John got some VO5 texturizing gum. We got some cheese strips for Ruben's pet lunchbox. We got some cheese squares for the burgers. Robin dime bars, yes. Ruben fell in love with a reindeer. You could do some damage with this, it's quite solid. It was £2. Just had a little wonder in letting him touch the buttons on the... I've realised we've picked a faulty one because the glitter runs on the back, not the front. Well done, Katy. But yeah, it was the one Christmas decoration he wanted to hold. We brought it home. Dental floss pick stuff. And some L'Oreal heat protector. That's what we got from B&M's. Now put it away. Okay, everyone's got their coats and hats on.
Yeah.
We go out the front and do some sparklers before tea time.
Wow!
Woo-woo!
Circles.
Big circles.
Big circles.
A small circle.
Ruben, stand up straight.
Change of outfit again. It's beachy. Ruben is back there buzzing. Apparently all fireworks are red and circle and go bang. I think they must have done them at preschool this week because it's not come from us. But he's got pyjamas on, a hat, mittens, big socks. I've got his blanket on my knee ready to go over when he's ready for it. But yeah, we are hopefully going to go and find some fireworks. And we're here and somebody's fallen asleep. We've woken up. It's a bit drizzly, we ain't getting out of the car, but... Ruben, what colour are they?
Fireworks.
It's a fireworks. Do you like them?
Yes.
Yes. You tired? Are they pretty?
Yes.
So tired. And we're home, and Darwin is running around with a toy, making a racket. Reuben is asleep in bed. For the little bits of the fireworks, he was awake. I think it's fair to say he definitely enjoyed it. There were lots of ooh and colours and la. So yeah, worth it. And we didn't have to get wet because we stayed in the car. Kind of both decided that we're still full from that giant roast dinner earlier, so burger and chips will have to wait till tomorrow. And I think we're just gonna ask Mick to drink and watch Suits, because that seems to be our pattern at the moment. We found a series that we like, and obviously now we have to smash all 9 of them. So yeah, I'm going to end the vlog there. I hope you've liked our bonfire night, fireworks night, whatever. Bye guys.